Hi, I'm Sabrina. This is
Thomas, hello.
We're with Jedox, and we want to show you how to install Jedox and a few options you have.
Okay, so let's start. First, we go to our Jedox web page, and we want to download a trial version. So you click on Trial, you scroll down, and there you can download our software.
30 days for free.
Right, and after you download the software and you uncompress the zip file, you have our setup available. So just execute the setup. Now you select your language. You choose English.
I prefer it.
Yeah, I guess. And now we follow the instructions. So we want to install on our local machine the complete setup.
Yep.
And we accept the agreement here, and we are choosing the default setup. We hit next. Now the system takes a little bit now to check if everything is fine. So ports in the background and something that everything can be installed. And there we are. We have a default folder. We keep this default folder. We want to be informed about updates. It's okay. And then we install.
All right, so it finished installing. Let's see. Now we're going to have access to Jedox Web with the username admin, the password admin, and the Excel admin. Can you show me Jedox Web?
Sure. Let's disable the pieces here and finish, and automatically we are being redirected to Jedox Web. It's just a browser. So Jedox Web, you don't need an installation, just a browser for the Jedox Web. What we have installed is the complete server environment in the background. We are using admin username, admin password as described in the setup dialog, and then we are going to log on. Now we see the main page, the home page of Jedox, and we can choose the reports, and there you have access to our demo reports. You see here at the left side, I can choose demo reports. I have a home screen or home report. Double click, and there we are. This is the nice look and feel of Jedox. And furthermore, we can go for one of these reports here, for example. Let's take a top 10 analysis, for example. Now you have Jedox installed, is working. The data are stored in the background in an OLAP database. You have the possibilities to switch years here and see the data is changing.
Okay, that's great. Could you also show me that real quickly in Excel?
Sure. At the same time, we have installed Excel. So I go down to my desktop, and you see we have the Jedox web icon here. This is the one we left right now. And I have also an icon for Jedox Excel add-in. This is also installed, and I double click here, and we open Excel. Jedox welcomes you actually with the Excel add-in from Jedox, and we want to continue here, or we can even directly open a Jedox example.
Ooh.
And this sample is just a common Excel workbook, and it helps you to go through the steps you need to use the Excel add-in. This is the possibility now to use Excel environment on the Jedox OLAP database.
Yeah, and this is enhancing Excel in this case.
Correct, exactly.
Okay.